Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can reset your Shopify theme. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on shopify.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of these sections. Here you're going to find home, orders, products, customers. Here you're going to find content, analytics, marketing, and discount. Here under sales channels, you're going to find online store and also point of sale. And then here in the bottom, you're going to find apps. So right now, go ahead and click on online store. Then here under it, you're going to find themes, blog posts, pages, navigation, and lastly, preferences. Go ahead and click on themes. Then here you're going to find your current theme. So basically guys, if you want to reset your theme to the default theme, it's pretty easy. Just go here to your theme library and then you're going to find the first theme that you ever added to your Shopify store. You're going to find these three dots. You can preview it, rename it, duplicate it, download your theme file, edit code, edit default theme content, and remove it. You're going to find customize if you want to customize it before you switch to this theme. And lastly, here you're going to find publish. So go ahead and click on publish. And then, as you can see, guys, they're going to tell you that this will replace your current theme. Click on publish. And then, as you can see, guys, you can reset your theme to the first theme you had on Shopify. Right now, if you want to go to the themes store, you can just scroll here, right here down, and then click on visit theme store. This will take you to Shopify theme store right here. Here, as you can see, guys, you can filter. For example, I'm going to show only the free ones, and then just click on the theme you like, and then just click on try theme. Then you're going to be able to change your theme very quickly and very easily. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.